What a strong day of trade this has been. A terrific Thursday, even though the final vote count when it comes to the US presidential elections is not in, but you've got the markets giving up a big thumbs up to all the trends that we've seen so far. And the reason being that so far, as per the vote count, it seems that the Senate is going to stay with the Republicans. That means that Joe Biden is not going to be able to move much when it comes to his tax hikes. And that is something that the market was fearing the most, which is why you saw all that volatility play out up until yesterday. But this morning when we came into trade, it was a picture perfect situation. You had the SGX Nifty indicating a big gap up move of about 1%. That's exactly how the pre-open rates played out, and that's exactly how the normal trading as well kick-started above the 12k mark. And the good thing is that we managed to only build on to those opening gap up moves. So we've managed to close actually at the highs of the day. An over 200-point rally is what the Nifty futures have closed the day with, 222 points higher. It's a 2% move, and we've managed a fab finish even above the 12,150 thereabouts level, 12,145 on the Nifty futures to be precise. Similar was the state with the broader market as well. Started off well in favor of the advances, and then the gap only widened well in favor of the advances, just about 9 odd stocks standing to the declines within the F&O universe. What was actually holding out today and what was not actually should be the question, because it was all sectors blazing, be it banks, automobiles, metals, IT, pharmaceuticals, and even some of the periphery, the broader market sectors were really participating in today's trading session. Look at the structure of the top 5 movers within the Nifty, largely concentrated amongst metals as well as banks. SBI got a big thumbs up after its numbers, got good amount of brokerage upgrades as well coming in, and held out another 5.25% in today's trading session, rubbing off on other banking names like an IndusInd, which has in any case been a very steady ship. Your Access, Kotak Bank all participate in today's rally. Bajaj Finance as well was a significant mover, as was the case with the Hindalco, Tata Steel as well. The big eye-catcher stock today was really HPCL, given the buyback, and that has been absorbed very well with the market. It's a double-digit run that you had on HPCL today, closing in at the highs of the day. That was not all. You also had names like a PVR. Now that multiplexes have got the green signal to open in Maharashtra, although with a 50% capacity, this really rubbed off on PVR well. You had a double-digit gain coming in for that stock alone. Some of the other movers with the likes of a SAIL, Nalco, SRF, these all participated in today's trading session. Just a handful of losers. Let me quickly mark those as well. Godrej Properties was a sulker in trade, about 6% lower is where the stock closed. Ambuja Cement, Godrej Consumer Products, which came out with its earnings, that was a laggard in trade, and similar can be said about Lupin, which was less than 1% lower. But really, not just defensives, IT Pharma has made a very strong comeback, but banks, that's where the leadership really was. They continue to really fire up, and that's been really critical to the market. Also, Reliance, which saw some correction play out last week up until its earnings, has now had 3 days of a steady rebound. That also participated in today's move. So seems like we're a steady ship, and hopefully we should see more gains going ahead.